So
we've got the 450 engine that has the blown out bottom end right now. Is broke. This might be a little challenging, but we're just going to start with the top end, and we'll grab our magnet tray for some parts and a bucket. That's what we've got right now. Let's get to it. Pretty much everything is an 8mm or a 10mm. All of these little guys, 8mm, and you've got two 10mm for this cover up top. Okay, on this portion, what I've learned is up top, underneath this cam, you've got little shims on each valve, each intake and each exhaust valve. These shims are specific. They obviously, you can get a whole set of shims and you can change those out if you have your manual and you know those clearances. Okay, all the shims are still in there. You can also pull each shim, take a caliper, get the measurement of each one and write that down.
these are the shims I've been talking about. You can pull them out with a magnet. They're these little metal discs, kind of like a coin shape. You don't want to lose these. If you plan on reusing them, I recommend keeping them in the exact same order in which they came out. You can do this by sitting on a piece of paper, taping them to it, say top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right.
You got each exhaust valve right here, boop boop, and then each intake valve right here. Then of course your cam chain, 4 head bolts. So we can do these 4 bolts now, and we'll pull this head. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you've got these 2 right here. I didn't do it, but it can be a good idea to, when you're releasing, even when you're releasing, do crisscross pattern. Okay, so should be off now. Just gotta jiggle it. So like I was hoping, this top end looks not too bad. Looks pretty healthy. So here's the head. Head looks good. We're gonna set this aside. We're gonna go ahead and take this cylinder off now. Trying to see if there's anything that I'm missing. Get this cam chain out of the way. Pull this guy up and out of there. This is a brass rod, so it's really soft. Don't actually know if it's softer than aluminum, but I'm just giving them nice love taps to get it moving. There it goes. Alright, so this cylinder is toast. As you can see, the connecting rod failed on the piston, and it KO'd the cylinder. So, wow, that is rough. So I don't think he hit something. I think the connecting rod failed, and that's what blew up this engine on the bottom end. Look at that. Holy crap. The piston's not the worst. I might be able to reuse the piston. I'm not 100% on that yet, but we might. See all that smashed in there? Set that aside. Keep going. Lay this baby on its side. I didn't drain the oil.
Drop my drill.
I didn't drain the oil because, well, there's a giant hole. So if there's oil in here that spills out, I'm gonna be like, what? Okay, this piece looks salvageable. I don't see any cracks. The Carrot coat on it's nice. I think this is the cover that we'll use when we rebuild these engines. Oh, uh-oh. Maybe I spoke too soon. Maybe I didn't. You see that guy? That pin looks bent. I'm hoping it didn't damage the aluminum. Aluminum doesn't usually bend, it cracks and chips, so I don't see any cracks here, so we'll have to look closer on that. Oh! Well, that just came off. We'll reuse this. Oh boy. Oh boy. Look at that. This poor engine got picked on. There it is. Look at that. Look at that. In your drawer, you'll have a very specific CRF450 flywheel puller. You just gotta open the nearest drawer and it will probably not be there. Maybe I can get it to just lock up on its junk so hard that I can undo this. Yeah, right there. I think that's the play. That looks like a 17. I was right. I'm gonna use a big old breaker bar. Oh, we're gonna break stuff. Here. Oh, definitely gonna break something in there. Oh no, better not break anything. Then we'll have a broken engine. Oh. Oh. Alright, well, we're going to go to plan B, and we're just going to throw an impact on there. Push R for race mode. Voila. Throw this puller on here. Tighten it up. At 19. Throw the 19 on. We're going to just make sure this bottom section is snug. Holy crap. It worked. Okay. Oh no! Man. Flywheel got damaged. Probably not gonna use that. Cam chain. Pull that guy off. You can kind of test these. If it sticks to itself and one of the elbows stays or feels locked. Hey, 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 what are you doing? Hey, what the shit? What in the hell? What's going on? Hello? Can I phone a friend? I am confused. Oh, we got it. That one. Pull this guy off. Here is your I don't know what it is about YouTube, but anytime I have to tell the camera what a part is, it loses me. Everybody knows that this is a pickup tube, an oil pickup tube. Oh my gosh. A clutch. Somebody put RTV on here, and there's a giant O-ring. Wrong. That's wrong, sir. Shoom, 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 shoom. Oh no, it's turning. You see that? It's like one of those chiropractic videos. Like, hang on, hold, breathe. Wham! Okay, is this case okay? Is this the only survivor? Look at that. It's off.
That's cool.
Poor engine. What have they done to you? Okay, so you got like this little special nut over here. That takes, boom. Okay, yeah, you just sit there and you turn it forever. We're gonna do this number. No. Oh, like a charm. I'll buy somebody. Now, instead of a screwdriver, I'm gonna grab, it's like how the ladies do their makeup thing. We have a Harbor Freight Dasco Pro, and you fold it back out. See? Hey, look at that. Reusable. Okay, let's pull that off now. This guy is not in good health. As you can see, all these little ridges in here. Those are created from, over time, these clutch plates slam into that and they start to dent it. And the problem with that is when you go to pull your clutch in, these will catch in these ridges and your clutch won't disengage how it's supposed to. So we are not going to be reusing this basket. We're gonna throw the impact on this guy. I keep putting it away. I keep needing it. On this one. Boom, boom. Check it out. Oh, you didn't see that. I just pulled this spring off. Comes out pretty easily. And then once you do that, the whole thing comes out. This is for your kickstart. Yeah, that makes way more sense. There we go. Holy crap. Just absolutely junked. That's it for that. So we tore down the engine that was blown up. You can see the extent of the damage. I think there's only one good case out of the whole thing. The head's good, the transmission's good. Cases are shot. Not keeping any of the bearings because I can get those pretty cheap and easy. So we'll keep the transmission, we'll keep the head. I might reuse the piston depending on how the inside of the other engine looks. But that's pretty much it for this one. We've got this one all apart. On the next episode, we'll take apart the other engine, assess the damage, and then we will start to combine the two engines and buy what parts we need and assemble a functional engine. This was a little worse than I was hoping, but it's okay. Nothing too crazy. Not salvaging the cases. So anyway, thanks guys.